Danke bafethu, so baningi kakhulu abantu abakhomenta ngendaba kaPercy ukuthi potential angajoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates noma iyiphi team ya-local yabo. But-ke ubhuti wakhe noma uMalimakhe angimazini isihlobo sakhe uTshepo Masilela-ke naye uke wadlala laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs waphinde wadlala overseas yabo. So ukhulume ngoPercy Tau, uthi uPercy Tau professional ngempela yabo. Uthi kuma-big teams bayabadinga abantu abadala abane-experience yabo. Uthi-ke ama-young stars noma laba abancane bangakwazi ukuthatha ama-advice kubo noma they can look up to bona yabo. So uma uthi uyaqhubeka-ke lana uMasilela uthi i-team efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs idinga i-quality elifana nelakatawu. Uthi to be honest not just i-pace nje kuphela but-ke nje badinga abantu ama-quality players azobaphusha close to ukuthi ba-compete nema-Mamelodi Sundowns yabo. So uthi Orlando Pirates finishe second, they will push closer, i-bracket bazoyehlisa ngempela inamba laphana ku-league in terms of like ukukhompyutha. I-opinion yakhe-ke leyo uMasilela yabo. Uthi-ke uthi uPercy Tau wenza ama-runs agood ngempela but uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs mawubheka ama-goal contributions wakhona nama-winger the way angakhona, uthi-ke ngoba leyo nto le ibalulekile ku-modern games yabo. uMasilela uthi for example mawubheka uLilepo laphana usha amagoli ayi-6 yabo, ujoyine i-Kaizer Chiefs-ke lapha ngoJanuwari but-ke midway season but wakwazi ukushaya amagoli ayi-6. So uthi cabanga nje ufune-winger elifana noPercy Tau ozokwazi ngempela ukuprovide lawo ma-assist for abantu abadlala laphana phambili yabo. Uyasho ukuthi ama-player if angadlala njalo uPercy Tau laphana angashaya 8 to 10 goals ku-Kaizer Chiefs if udlala njalo yabo. Uthi-ke yena angamsebenzisa more as i-winger ngoba-ke uversatile yabo. Uthi-ke angadlala nalaphana phambili. So uPercy Tau baningi abantu abamlinka to i-Kaizer Chiefs, babona ngathi i-Kaizer Chiefs ngempela angaba good. But for mina ezunkuli what I would say into le kaPercy Tau about ukulinkwa to i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi uPercy Tau i-performance yakhe he has been off for a couple of months, in fact for unyaka even nalapha kubafana akasadlali njengabefore yabo. Akusase uPercy Tau lo hungry lo shaya amagoli. uPercy Tau isikhathi esiningi awathola ama-opportunity ukuthi awashaye but ukubafana ugeja kakhulu like ukhosti bafana isikhathi esiningi. But-ke obvious umuntu ngeke ahlezi like izinto zimhambela kahle noma ngeke ahlezi adlala right, kumele simsupport noma angadlali kahle yabo. But i-problem ukuthi ama-expectations kaPercy Tau i-standard sakhe si-high kakhulu, thina si-expecta i-excellence from uPercy Tau yabo. If kuflopa uPercy Tau, what about laba abanye abantu abancane like ama-youngsters that are coming through? Mawubheka nakulo ku-AFCON lesibuya kuyo ibafana finisher number 3, Percy Tau first game wathola ama-opportunities not 1 not 2 mhlampe 3 or more but uyahluleka finish product yakhe yamhlula uPercy Tau yabo. So i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuletha umdlalo ofana noPercy Tau ozoba kusalary enkulu. Sibonile lapha akhomenta ngokuthi bangama-offerable ma-450,000 ngenyanga ngasayina ne-team ya-local yabo. Already uza ne-big salary, uzoba maybe one of the highest paid guys eteamini if akacontribute kahle. Nanokuthi i-pressure yokudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs ayifani ne-pressure yamanye ama-team yabo. I-pressure yokudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi i-team ayenzi kahle, mawufika uhola imali eningi ama-fans wonke avele abheke wena ukuthi okay wena since ufikile la eteamini uhola imali engaka, wena kumele usirescue ngempela. uPercy Tau uzokwazi ukuhandlela leyo pressure na. But-ke you never know ukuthi uPercy Tau akadlali kahle because ukhumbule ekhaya, nanokuthi-ke uzoba more comfortable medlala home. Sikhumbule ukuthi uPercy Tau ku-interview le Robert Mara ushilo ukuthi useney'ngane, so kulokayale nale ukuya kude ngeke umsize ku-easy, ngaba easy if angaba close to home yabo. Ukhulume nangabazali bakhe ukuthi okay uyamkhumbula kangakanani umamakhe and then ujabule ukuthola lesikhathi lesi sokuthi abe yi-free agent. Uthi kuyaqala ukwenzeka ku-career yakhe ukuthi nje abe free kanjena but uzobona ukuthi izinto zizohamba kanjani. But-ke asazi you never know like maybe uPercy Tau angabonisa ama-qualities wakhe lawa before ku-Kaizer Chiefs but i-pressure ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu i-Kaizer Chiefs ingawasayina ama-player but kumele abe good enough ukuthi vele akwazi ukulekelela uPercy Tau ukuthi ayiphushe i-team to greater heights. So bona ukuthi uPercy Tau yena uzodecide iyiphi i-team ezomdonsa, Orlando Pirates, i-Kaizer Chiefs or iMamelodi Sundowns uzothi ibuye ekhaya bafanas. So bona danko bafethu.